This is the Delonghi, whatever you want to call it, portable air conditioner. We're going to do a quick unboxing. You just cut the straps that are around it. And there you go. If you do have to bring it up for a mailroom, just keep in mind that it is slightly heavy, so you will want a friend to help you carry it up. There we have the window pieces that just came slamming down, so those are some of the railing. What's nice is you can install this in a double hung window or in a sliding window. And what I mean by install in the window is you do need the hose outlet to connect to the window. So as we take this apart, and I take this down, has the power cable connected to the back. This is the hose that will connect on the back. Let's see if it'll come out of the actual unit. And then this elongates, as you can see. So you can have the AC about maybe 3-4 feet away from the actual window. And then we have that piece. Of course, we have the actual air conditioning unit itself. And we have some paperwork and documentation up top. So let me take out the rest of the pieces. Show you the unit. This one is in a pretty sleek black color. It's light enough to move around and carry. But what's nice is it's actually on caster wheels. So it will be a little bit of a mess when you set up. But as you can see, it can slide. It's a little loud on this floor material. But it can slide, and then that hose that I mentioned connects right here on the back. Coolest part about this unit is you do not have to put it in storage during the winter because it also works as a heater. So it can heat your room. So if it's chilly at night, you can heat it. Of course, it has a sleep function, so you can control for it to basically go onto automatic programming. So you can go to sleep with it, it'll heat up or it'll cool down. And that is the Delonghi unit unboxing.